Hi! In front of me is ZTE Blade A51, and today I would like to show you where you can locate all text correction options. You need to begin by opening Devices Settings and scrolling all the way down to Access System. Then select Languages and Input, On-Screen Keyboard, and Keyboard. Following that, just click on Text Correction. As you can see, all typing options are over here. To manage them, tap on the switchers next to the chosen ones. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!